The last time we were filming here was in February. We had already done several months of, let's say, destruction to this house. So we were taking it back to brick and stone. And in February, I think you saw more or less a raw cavity that we'd created from this property, and we slowly built it back. And now we're at the end of May, and we've just finished it. So this is a 4-bedroom traditional townhouse right in the centre of Estepona Old Town. It's a little bit different to other properties that have been on the market before. So we've decided to keep as much local materials as we could. So all the carpentry at the front of the house mimics what was there before to a large extent, even the colour of the windows. We've used natural limestone on the floors. We've tried to, if you look on the corners of the building, we've rounded the edges, made the whole thing quite organic and soft. The house has got underfloor heating on the whole of the downstairs, which is with aerothermic, so that's the sort of thing you'd expect in a modern villa these days. It's very energy efficient. There's air conditioning, hot and cold, throughout the property, which is also powered by aerothermia. It's got some nice features in this house, such as the outdoor shower downstairs, this sun trap patio, which leads out from the living room and dining room. And it's got some nice features like 2 exterior bedrooms. This one is independent from the house inside the patio. The one upstairs is reached through an interior walkway with a big panel of glass that you'll see to bring in light. I suppose contrary to what you would expect in a traditional townhouse, this house is flooded with natural light. So there's an enormous amount of natural light throughout the house. You don't really need during the day to have any lights on. And then if you really are a sun god or goddess, then there's the roof terrace, which is, I think, roughly 70 square meters. And that's pre-installed for an outdoor kitchen. So if you want to barbie up there or cook in the evening, then it's all prepared for that.